smells good. I just want to taste a little bit. It's good. It's pretty much almost done. Let's garnish. Yep, that's it. That's it. Pretty much done. So I'm going to make some tea in here. This is finished. This is the cocoa tea that I told you that I made from scratch. Still hot. I have a little strainer somewhere in here, I think. Do I? Nope, it's not there. Just the right size for the cups. And then I'm gonna get some and put it in a cup. So I use another cup to do that. You have to strain it because the cocoa breaks down, right? Try not to get the leaves because that's gonna be a problem. And then you just strain it like that. Yep. The other cup. Don't forget, this has bay leaves in there, cloves in there, and cinnamon sticks in there. So could you imagine the flavor? Not only the flavor, but the aroma that's coming out of this pot. This is why you have to strain it, because it has the grits from the cocoa itself. It's gonna be a beautiful taste in my mouth. Cannot wait to celebrate the taste and flavors. It's gonna be in my mouth. Oh yeah. Okay, guys. This is pretty much done. Pretty much done. Let us plate some. Can we plate some? We can. We can definitely plate some. Plating some. So, I'm gonna start off with the fried eggs. Let's see, 3. Those. Some of these. Wow. Doesn't that look nice? Then some of the cabbage and carrots that's been steamed. I save a little bit of the garnish.